How to log into your Dominion Payroll account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari. Let me head over to Safari for now. Once you are in here, in the search bar, search for Dominion Payroll login. Different sites will be available to you. Head over to the very first site. It will redirect you to this page. You can see tons of different login options will be visible to you. Click on the login option associated with your account. You will be landing on the interface where you'll be able to log into your account. In this page, what you want to do is, firstly, simply enter your username of your account. And then it says you will be prompted for a password. Once you click on continue, you have to enter your password of your account. Once you've entered both username and the password, what you want to do is click on sign in. And then you will be successfully logged into your Dominion Payroll account. And you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can log into your Dominion Payroll account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.